Sea creatures play a crucial role in marine ecosystems, contributing to biodiversity, nutrient cycling, and oxygen production. So, today we are going to explore the life of a jellyfish. Jellyfish, also known as sea jellies. His life begins as tiny larvae, drifting in ocean currents. They grow into gelatinous adults, pulsating through the water, capturing prey with stinging tentacles. Some species live for just a few months, while others can survive 4 years. Their life cycle completes as they release eggs or sperm into the sea. Jellyfish are found in oceans all over the world, inhabiting both shallow coastal waters and deep ocean environments. They have adapted to various marine habitats, including temperate and tropical regions, as well as polar waters. Some species of jellyfish prefer warmer waters, while others thrive in colder, more nutrient-rich environments. Overall, jellyfish have a wide global distribution, and their presence contributes to the biodiversity and ecological dynamics of marine ecosystems worldwide. Certainly, here are some common types of jellyfish. Moon jellyfish, Aurelia aurita. Recognizable by their translucent, saucer-shaped bell and short, delicate tentacles. They are found in oceans worldwide, often near the surface. Box jellyfish, Carinex fleckeri. Known for their cube-shaped bell and extremely potent venom, they inhabit the waters of the Indo-Pacific region and are considered one of the most venomous marine creatures. Lion's mane jellyfish, Cyanea copulata. Characterized by their large, bell-shaped body and long, trailing tentacles. They are found in colder northern waters and can have tentacles that extend over 100 feet. Portuguese Mano war Physalia physalis. While not a true jellyfish, they are often mistaken for one. They are colonial organisms consisting of specialized polyps working together. They have long, venomous tentacles that can deliver painful stings. Sea nettle jellyfish, Chrysora quinquecera. Named for their stinging tentacles that resemble nettles. They have a semi-transparent bell with reddish-brown stripes and are found in coastal waters around the world. Cone jellyfish, Ctenophora. Although not true jellyfish, they are often included in discussions. They have a transparent, gelatinous body with rows of cilia for propulsion. They are found in oceans worldwide and are known for their bioluminescence. These are just a few examples of the diverse types of jellyfish found in oceans and coastal waters around the world. Each species has unique characteristics, behaviors, and habitats, contributing to the rich tapestry of marine life. Jellyfish reproduce both sexually and asexually, depending on the species and environmental conditions. Sexual reproduction. Gamete release. Adult jellyfish release eggs and sperm into the water. The release is often synchronized with environmental cues like temperature and light. Fertilization. When the eggs and sperm meet in the water, fertilization occurs externally. Planula larvae formation. After fertilization, the zygote develops into a larval form called a planula. Planulae are small, ciliated, free-swimming larvae. Polyp stage. The planula larvae settle on a suitable substrate, such as rocks or the seafloor, and develop into polyps. Strobilation. Polyps undergo a process called strobilation, where they transform into a stack of disc-like structures called ephirae. Ephirae formation. Ephirae eventually break off from the polyp and become free-swimming juvenile jellyfish. Asexual reproduction. Budding. Some jellyfish species reproduce asexually through a process called budding. In budding, a small part of the adult jellyfish's body, such as the oral arms, undergoes transformation and eventually separates from the main body, forming a new individual. Fission. In some species, adult jellyfish can undergo fission, where the body splits into two or more parts, each of which develops into a complete individual. Polyp cloning. Polyps can also reproduce asexually by budding or producing small, genetically identical polyps, forming colonies. The specific reproductive strategies vary among jellyfish species, and factors such as environmental conditions, food availability, and population density can influence the prevalence of sexual or asexual reproduction. Conservation efforts for jellyfish are becoming increasingly important due to their ecological significance and vulnerability to environmental changes. Here are some strategies for the conservation of jellyfish. Ecosystem management. Protecting and restoring marine ecosystems is essential for the conservation of jellyfish and their habitats. This includes implementing marine protected areas, reducing pollution, and managing fisheries sustainably to maintain balance in marine food webs. Monitoring and research. Continued research and monitoring of jellyfish populations are crucial for understanding their ecology, distribution, and responses to environmental changes. Long-term monitoring programs can provide valuable data for conservation management strategies. Education and outreach. Increasing public awareness about the importance of jellyfish in marine ecosystems and the threats they face is essential for conservation efforts. Educational campaigns can help promote responsible behavior among coastal communities, tourists, and recreational users to minimize human impacts on jellyfish populations. Mitigation of human impacts. Addressing human activities that negatively impact jellyfish populations is essential for their conservation. This includes reducing overfishing of jellyfish predators, minimizing habitat destruction, and mitigating pollution sources such as nutrient runoff and marine debris. Climate change adaptation. Developing strategies to adapt to climate change and its impacts on jellyfish populations is critical for their long-term survival. This may involve enhancing resilience in marine ecosystems, implementing measures to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and incorporating jellyfish conservation considerations into climate adaptation plans. International cooperation. collaboration among nations is essential for the conservation of migratory jellyfish species that cross jurisdictional boundaries. International agreements and partnerships can facilitate the sharing of data, resources, and best practices for jellyfish conservation on a global scale. By implementing these conservation strategies, we can work towards ensuring the long-term survival and sustainability of jellyfish populations and the ecosystems they inhabit. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, share and press the bell icon to get an informative videos. Thanks for watching.